Now, if you're using WordPress, there's several plugins that can be used to help you optimize your blog posts because WordPress is just not very SEO friendly on its own. There's a ton of plugins out there for SEO. These are the three kind of big ones, though, that have been around for a long time or fairly long time. Yoast, Rank Math, all-in-one SEO pack. That's not to say the other ones aren't good. There's plenty of good ones out there, but these are going to help you maximize your white hat SEO strategy, give you the best potential to get found. I included a link here to an Elegant Themes report on the best SEO plugins for WordPress. I think it was like 15 or 20 different plugins, pros and cons as well. And then you want to use these tools to help you set an SEO-friendly title tag, meta description, and then it'll also give you ideas on how to improve your post's potential to rank by making sure that you don't have too difficult content, that you're not repeating stuff, or if you're missing stuff, or you have no images or no alt tags. These things help you, guide you to make sure you're not missing the mark on any of your content.